Hi, Stefan, founder of Lean Bytes here. And you want to organize files, so let me just show you how FileFillet can help here. So after you opened the app, let's just add a couple of favorite folders. So for example, so we have a demo folder here, or we're adding another folder, which is a subfolder, like for example, the holidays folder. And as soon as I have them, I can already start organizing my files. So I have a couple of Italy folders here. Let's take those two. They belong to holidays, obviously. And you can see I just moved them from the documents folder down into the holidays folder. But wait, they don't really belong to holidays, but into Italy. So I grab those files, stay here for a second, and then I can start moving files to subdirectories. In case you want to organize this even a little bit more, where you say, I have a couple of favorite folders for homework and a couple of favorite folders for my professional work, then you have a couple of sets or collections, so you can switch here or up here. So let's say my work collection is number 2. I add another favorite folder, like desktop, for example, and then I can start using this here. If you want to change the layout, just go to edit layout and then let's move this around. You're able to change the size if you want, so you can really configure this in a way that it fits to your workflow basically. You can also choose to not have the panel open all the time, so let's just close this. If I start dragging a file and start pressing the control button, then FileFillet will show up exactly where you are. So I can just drop the files here. And there's another way. If you don't want to use this shortcut, just drag your file and go to the left or right side of the screen. There's this little tab here which you can customize in color and size, and then I can just move the files here. So there's always a way for you on how to quickly organize the files and move them where they actually belong. This does also work with pictures from the browser or Outlook attachments or pretty much any type of file that you can find on macOS. If you have any questions or feature requests, just reach out and then we're going to move forward with the app.